Yeah, it's on.
Okay, we arrived ahead of the 3-day retreat of the Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Committee of the 10th House of Representatives. With me are distinguished honorable colleagues who are members of the Midstream and Downstream Petroleum. We're expecting about 80 lawmakers today. Some are on their way ahead of our retreat, which is about on how to reposition the downstream sector and make it more effective and efficient, both the midstream and downstream. It's one of the reasons why we are here. If you will recall, on the 9th, the 10th House of Representatives set up a joint committee, a joint forensic investigative committee of the midstream and downstream petroleum with a 15-point mandate, which is to first of all find out the factor that is militating against growth in the downstream and midstream petroleum sector, the allegation of importation of adulterated petroleum products, the allegation of production of substandard petroleum products, the allegation of non-availability of crude supply to local refineries, the issue of racketeering and favoritism in the PFI regime, and other numerous issues that is militating against the downstream sector. That is why we are having this retreat, to look at it and set the agenda for the hearing of the committee.
What do you make of this?
Well, today is not time for politics. We are here for development. But I must say this, like, as a Nigerian, not because I belong to any interest or any divide in the struggle, that respecting the rights of the people should be paramount to the police force. And the police force should not act in a way to show that they are giving undue advantage to the Abuja-based politicians. The governor deserves some respect. The people of Rivers State deserve some respect. Indiscriminate arrests, indiscriminate attacks, these are things that is unwelcome and not acceptable in any democratic setting. And I want to appeal to the Inspector General of Police. Here have been very peaceful. That is why our retreat is holding in Rivers State. If Rivers is not peaceful and stable, over 80 lawmakers from the midstream and downstream petroleum will not be coming to Rivers for their 3-day retreat. And we want this peace to continue, and that is why we are appealing to the IG not to take side in this thing, allow the rule of law to prevail, and stop aiding in any way the other side who are from Abuja.